Okay, now let us connect some dots. And I hope I'm not reaching, right? Now, in the UK, supermarkets are facing a banana shortage, with empty shelves reported at Tesco and Marks and Spencer stores across the country. The shortage has been caused by tropical storms in the Pacific disrupting shipments. Customers have shared images on social media of empty shelves with notices explaining the delays. Six storms across the South Pacific and the Indian Oceans in late February have left cargo ships stranded at ports. Okay, that's what they're telling us. Now, we have evidence that states there is a virus, and that virus is spread by rodents, right? Now, let us get into this piece of evidence. And as I said before, I hope I'm not reaching. Male mice are terrified of bananas. Here why. Certain compounds trigger a stressful response. Scientists recently discovered something about male mice that's utterly bananas. The distinctive scent of a banana stress them out. Researchers from McGill University in Montreal, Quebec, learned about this unusual fruit aversion while analyzing spiking stress hormones in male mice when the males were close to pregnant or lactating females. The scientists reported in a new study that the male hormonal shifts were triggered by the presence of a compound in the female's urine. It also happens to be the compound that gave bananas their distinct smell. The whole thing came as a surprise since we were not looking for this in particular and found it by accident, says Jeff Mogill, the study's senior author and professor in the Department of Psychology at McGill University. The pregnant females were in our lab for another experiment, and one of our grad students realized that the males began acting weird. Okay, okay. So we have a banana shortage in the UK. The banana shortage is caused by storms. We have rodents that can possibly spread a virus that went on to kill Gene Hackman's wife. And we have a study from a prestigious university telling us that the scent of bananas affect male mice. No, I must be reaching. But something is going on. People connect the dots. I'm not even going to start. People connect the dots. Could it really be? Could it really, really be happening? Connect the dots, people. Ask questions. I have spoke about a rat apocalypse that is coming, and that this rat apocalypse will lead us into the next pandemic and lockdown. I've done so much videos on it. We need to pray and understand we wrestle not with flesh and blood, but wickedness in high places. People, get your cleaning supplies, because they're going to take some of those cleaning supplies off the shelf. You need some strong disinfectant. You need some bleach. I don't want to be looking on social media and see you people fighting for cleaning items. Get your cleaning supplies before it's too late. And not just for the UK, worldwide. Bleach is very, very cheap. Bleach is not an expensive chemical. You need to have bleach. I recommend bleach. We need to pray and say, Glory be to the Most High.